Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Tuesday, October 4th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the market this morning, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up 1 point to 21.54 per contract. What you're going to see here is we've had a little bit of a sell-off that really began around 5:30 this morning. Markets were higher. They came all the way down. Now they're back to the flat line, or they're up $1 at the moment. So what can we say about it? This is that type of environment that we're in, very, very range bound, but we'll take it one step at a time, and we'll look at it really throughout the day. So again, looking at the major stocks that are making moves, we have DRI in play. That is Darden Restaurants, and what you're going to see here is stock is trading at $63.75. It closed at $61.36, so this is a pretty decent pop. But when I look at the chart here, I have to think when we get to around the $64.50 to $65 level, you have a lot of resistance. So be a little bit aware of that. You could already see in the pre-market it got up there and got rejected. But again, good little move today. Good, nice pop for Darden. That's after earnings. So again, the stock is trading higher. Now, by some chance, if the stock does fall today, and I don't expect it, you want to keep the $58.90 level on the radar. So again, remember that $58.97, $59 area pierce of it is really where you would look to get back into Darden if it did fall today. But again, right now the stock is higher, so not much we could do with it. But we will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Dr. Pepper Snapple. DPS is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $90.02, closed at $90.76. It looks like this was downgraded this morning. So again, I don't see a lot of strength in the name with the current pattern. I do see support though at around $87.50. So keep that on the radar today. If it does get down to the $87.50 level, that's a spot where I think traders can step in and pick it up for a scalp this morning. Next up on the radar today, we're going to take a look at Grubhub. I know we don't talk about this name too much, but I believe this was downgraded this morning. Not a lot of volume behind the move, but the stock is trading at 41 in the pre-market. Again, this could be trading back at 42.5 once the opening bell rings, so keep it on the radar today. But this is an actual downgrade that I like because I think the equity is very, very extended. Look at this monthly chart. This is way overbought. It's had a great move, but look at this weekly chart. You can see that the stock is very, very extended. When you look at the monthly chart, you'll also see that it's been really parabolic to the upside ever since the beginning of the year. So again, this one needs to pull back in. We'll see how it plays out. Right now, a downgrade in the name for Grubhub. KMI, which is very, very popular energy play. This was also downgraded today. Right now, the stock's at $22.80, closed at $23.01. Can't make too much out of it. Netflix is in the news. Yesterday, Netflix had a great trading session. Today, it's holding up very, very well. A level I think where Netflix stalls out is probably around 109. So again, there's a lot of rumors right now saying Disney is in the bidding to buy Netflix. Possibly Apple's in the bidding to buy Netflix. Just those rumors alone will keep a bid underneath the stock. So just be aware of it. Right now, 109 is really the big resistance zone in my opinion. Let's take a look at good old Deutsche Bank right now because Deutsche Bank is really the stock to follow. Today, Deutsche Bank is catching a bid. Stock closed yesterday at $12.98. It is now trading at $13.28. Long as Deutsche Bank is moving up, the market seems to, have risk on. Deutsche Bank starts to move down, the market's going to have risk off. And again, bigger problems in the making for Deutsche Bank here, if you ask me. Anytime the S&P is at or near all-time highs, and you have a company like Deutsche Bank, the size of this company is tremendous, one of the world's largest banks, and they're making new all-time lows. There's bigger problems than people are talking about. So just understand that. We want to go over to the gold market now. Gold futures getting hit today. They are down about 17 points right now. Gold futures trading around $1,295 an ounce. Take a look at the GLD here. You're going to see gold is getting whacked. Closed at 125.32 on the GLD. Today we're trading at 123.43. So we are reflecting that down move in gold. And this is kind of what gold is supposed to do. We're not, at our pivot bottom yet for gold. And you're getting a good sell-off. But in sympathy, you're getting all the gold miners to getting hit today. So GDX, which is the gold miners ETF, you're going to see this is trading at 25.19. It closed at 25.96. Newmont Mining, this is getting hit as well. This is trading at 36.90, closed at 38.10. Let's take a look here at Gold Corp, GG. This is trading at 15.30, closed at 15.78. GOLD is getting hit as well. This is Rand Gold trading at 97.51. This closed at 99.25. So all of the gold mining stocks are on the decline today, and this is typical. Silver also following suit. Take a look at the SLV this morning. This is trading a little bit lower, and then you have SLW, which is Silver Wheaton. That is getting hit as well. So gold, silver, anything precious metal getting hit today, and looks like that's on the back of a stronger U.S. dollar. Take a look at the dollar today. The dollar's really been rising steadily, trading back above the 96 level. So we'll see how that all plays out a little bit later in the session. Crude oil is down a little bit today. Crude is down 13 cents to $48.68 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO this morning, you'll see that's trading at $11.10, basically right where it closed. So not reflecting any bit of a decline in the USO, but spot crude, again, is down a little bit, trading lower by about 13 to 14 cents. All right, we're going to leave it here short and sweet today. Again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2016. We get a little volatility in this market. Again, we'll get a lot more trades going in the chat room. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.